Good morning, students. Last video we had completed electrical properties of solid. Now, magnetic properties of solid, end of the chapter. Every substance have magnetic properties. The origin of these properties lies in electron. When any charged body revolve or move, then a magnetic field developed around it. So every substances which are having unpaired electrons, they show magnetism. So every substance have magnetic properties. कुछ में ज्यादा होगी, किसी में कम होगी, लेकिन हर सब्सटेंस में मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी होती है. और मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी होने के पीछे रीजन क्या है? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Each electron in an atom behave as a tiny magnet, and its magnetic moment is due to two types of motion possessed by electron. एक है orbital motion around the nucleus and spin around its own axis. Each electron has permanent spin and an orbital magnetic moment associated with it. Magnitude of this magnetic moment is very small and it is measured in unit Bohr magnetone and it's 9.27 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. क्या कहना चाह रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में दो टाइप के मोशन होते हैं. One is spin rotation. Electron rotate around its own axis and it will also move around the nucleus in orbital. So two types of motion possessed by electron. So there are two types of magnetic properties associated with it. Total combined magnetic property due to two types of motion of electron. Spin rotation, orbital rotation. And how do we know the magnetic strength? So it is measured by Bohr magnetone. And its value is 9.27 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. Now, total 5 types of magnetic properties are there. Paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic. We'll discuss them one by one. First is paramagnetic substances or paramagnetic properties. What are paramagnetic substance or paramagnetic property? These type of substances are weakly attracted by the magnetic field. Matlab they attract in magnetic field. If we keep them in magnetic field, they will attract it toward it. They are magnetized in magnetic field in the same direction. See, this is the substance and these arrow indicate tiny magnets due to unpaired electrons. They are randomly arranged, but when they kept in external magnetic field, they will arranged in same direction. Matlab they show magnetism. ऐसा है random arrangement है तो magnetism show नहीं करते. But अगर इन substances को उठा के external magnetic field में रख दें तो all dipoles will align in same direction and they start showing magnetic property. This type of substances are known as paramagnetic substances. Now if we remove external magnetic field, they will be again randomly arranged. Dipole will be randomly arranged. मतलब they are not permanent magnet. है ना? जब magnetic field होगा तो magnetism show करेंगे. External magnetic field हटा दिया तो their magnetism will be lost. These are called paramagnetic substances. And in these substances, one or more unpaired electron is present. अगर unpaired electron नहीं है तो paramagnetic नहीं है. Even if they have one unpaired electron, they show paramagnetism. Examples are O2. O2 have two unpaired electron. Molecular orbital theory में पढ़ा था हमने. Anti-bonding molecular orbital में दो unpaired electron होते हैं. Cu2 plus, Fe3 plus, Cr3 plus. They all are paramagnetic substances. Second होते हैं diamagnetic property. What are diamagnetic substances? When they kept in external magnetic field, they will be repelled by the field. They will not get attracted like paramagnetic. They get repelled. They are called diamagnetic. See, this is external magnetic field. They are repelling. ऊपर से जाते हैं, इससे अट्रैक्ट नहीं होते इस एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से, जबकि ये पैरामैग्नेटिक इसकी तरफ ऐसे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. सो पैरामैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस आर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड द मैग्नेटिक external magnetic field and they get repelled by external magnetic field. In diamagnetic substances, all electrons are paired. So magnetic moment of one electron will be cancelled by magnetic moment of another electron. So their net magnetic moment value will be 0. They are called diamagnetic substances. They won't have any unpaired electron. They have all electron paired. And pairing of electron cancel their magnetic moment. So they lose magnetic property. They won't have magnetic property. That's why they repel in magnetic field. Examples are water, NaCl, C6H6. They are diamagnetic substances. Now, third type of property, ferromagnetism. What is ferromagnetism? Few substances like iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, and CrO2. They're strongly attracted by external magnetic field. इनमें भी पैरामैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस की तरह पहले जो डाइपोल्स होते हैं वो रेंडमली अरेंज्ड होते हैं, जैसे उसमें थे ना पैरामैग्नेटिक में, ऐसे इस टाइप से substances have dipoles but they are randomly arranged. When external magnetic field is applied, what will happen? They all align in same direction and they start showing magnetism. But as soon as the magnetic field is removed, their magnetism will not lost. They will remain in parallel position only. Matlab, they get permanently magnetized. Initially, they won't show magnetism because dipoles are randomly arranged. But when external magnetic field is applied, their dipoles arrange in one direction and they start showing magnetism. Even in absence of magnetic field, they will arrange in one direction only. Dipoles will arrange in one direction. मतलब they'll become permanent magnet. Suppose हमारे पास एक मैग्नेट का पीस है और उसके पास आप आयन के पीस को 2 दिन तक रख दो, तो आयन का पीस भी मैग्नेट बन जाता है. तो Fe is ferromagnetic substances. What is difference between para and ferromagnetism? In paramagnetic substance, as soon as they are in magnetic field, they show magnetism. In absence of magnetic field, their magnetism lost. But in ferromagnetism, once magnetic field is applied, they show magnetism. But when magnetic field is removed, at that time also, their magnetism will not lost. मतलब they are permanent magnet. जैसे होता है ना, 2 क्लासेस चल रही हैं, एक क्लास में टीचर होता है, तब तक बच्चे चुप, टीचर गया जैसे थे, और दूसरी होती है ना एकदम अच्छी क्लास, बोलते हैं ये क्लास बहुत अच्छी है, इस बार ये बैच बहुत अच्छा है. तो अच्छे बैच में क्या होता है, पहले बातें कर रहे होते हैं, टीचर आके डांट के जाता है, बच्चे चुप, इवन टीचर चला जाए तो भी चुप. तो सेकंड वाला क्लास कौन है? फेरोमैग्नेटिक. और पहले वाला क्लास टीचर की प्रेजेंस में चुप रहता है, टीचर के जाते ही वापस जैसे थे, तो दे आर पैरामैग्नेटिज्म. क्लियर? फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस आर स्ट्रांगली अट्रैक्टेड बाय द फील्ड, मतलब दे अच्छे मैग्नेट होते हैं. Example are cobalt, nickel and iron. Next type of substances are anti-ferromagnetism. What are anti-ferromagnetic substances? MnO इसका example है, भी बोर्ड में पूछा हुआ है. Which of the following substance show anti-ferromagnetism? 4 ऑप्शन में से एक था MnO and that is correct. In this anti-ferromagnetic substances, what will happen? Initially, their dipoles will randomly arranged. But when external magnetic field is applied, they will arrange in such a way that their dipoles cancel each other. Matlab they arrange themselves, dipole will arrange themselves in parallel and anti-parallel direction, but equal in number. See, this is parallel, this is anti-parallel, then parallel, anti-parallel. So dipole of magnetic moment of this dipole cancel magnetic moment of this dipole. So overall magnetic moment will become 0. Even they have unpaired electron, their magnetic moment will be 0. Such type of substances are called anti-ferromagnetism, yeah, anti-ferromagnetic substances. Domains are oppositively oriented and cancel out each other's magnetic moment. So net magnetic moment value will be 0. Last type of magnetic property is ferrimagnetism. What is ferrimagnetism? It is observed magnetic moment of domains are aligned in parallel and anti-parallel direction, but unequal in number. See, 1, 2, they are parallel. This is anti-parallel. 2 parallel, 1 anti-parallel. So overall, in parallel direction, 4 domains are there, while anti-parallel 2, matlab unequal in number. So they have net magnetic moment. Complete cancel nahi hota hai, net magnetic moment hota hai. These type of substances are called ferrimagnetic substances. They are weakly attracted by magnetic field compared to ferro. मतलब सबसे अच्छी magnetism कौन सा है? Ferro. उसके बाद पैरा और फिर फेरी मैग्नेटिज्म. एग्जाम्पल है इसके मैग्नेटाइट Fe3O4. What is magnetite? Magnetite is ferrospheric oxide. It has two types of oxide, ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. Mixture is called Fe3O4. It is mixed oxide, magnetite. Then ferrite, Fe2O4 2 minus, that is called ferrite ion. So this is magnesium ferrite, zinc ferrite. They are the examples of ferrimagnetism. They lose ferrimagnetism, these substances, on heating, and they becomes paramagnetic. So total 5 types of magnetic properties are there: diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferro and ferrimagnetism. डायमैग्नेटिक का मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट 0 होता है और एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म का 0 होता है. सबसे अच्छे मैग्नेटिज्म प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी है? फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस शो स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेटिज्म. Clear? 5 types of magnetic properties. That's all for this chapter. Next, we will start with another chapter. Clear? Okay, till then, bye.